गोयच्या काँग्रेस पक्षाची जी आयज वतिकाय जाल्या ती गिरीश चोडणकर आणि दिनेश गुंडूराव हांचे खातीर जाल्या असो आरोप कळंगूटचो आदलो आमदार आग्नेल फर्नांडीस हांणी केला। ह्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकेची उमेदवारी दिवपा खातीर मायकला कडल्यान पयशे घेतल्यात आणि हाची कबुली गिरीशान काँग्रेसीच्या कार्यकारिणी समिती मुखार दिल्या अशें आग्नेल सांगता। तशेंच उमेदवारी दिवपा खातीर आपल्या कडेन 3 करोड रुपयाची मागणी केल्ल्याचें आग्नेलान उक्ताडार हाडला।
Where is Goa heading to? And like I said, the cause is the leaders in the Congress, like Girish Gundurao. I'm saying it again. Yesterday, Girish said that he's going to file a defamation case against him. I'm again saying that Girish has taken money from Michael. I'm saying it today. And this I'm saying on the basis of his own confession in front of the executive committee members of the Congress committee in the Congress house, where everybody was there. When I confronted him, I said, you had gone to Michael's house, you were made to sit like a dog outside for hours together, and in front of the Panchayat members, then Panchayat members of Tandalim, you were given money by Michael. He's right. We had gone to Joseph's office one day. He forgot to... MK Sheikh. Then he must have forgotten. There was Vijay BK was there. Benedict D'Souza from Parra was there. And Joseph said, okay, I'm not interested this time, give the ticket to Agnel. That day, 3 crores were demanded from me, and in front of all these people, you can ask Vijay BK, you can ask Benedict, and they said it is for the office in Penjim. 3 कोटी एका कॅन्डिडेटा कडेन मागता ऑफिसाक जाम कित्याक आनी तूं डोनेशन घेना म्हणून सांगता म्हाजे कडेन I owed you all any money, I owed the party any money, 3 crores. And other thing I didn't want to bring up because there is a lady involved in this with one of his chelas who came here. They call her Babi. I don't want to take the name, everybody will know who this is. This is a Babi who should take bags from the Congress house and other places, take it to Marcel. That also I'm alleging. Tell him to put that also in the defamation case. I've got proof of that. Congress house and video CCTV camera has off at a certain time. Even now during this latest episode, that office boy is both shivering there. Bag was kept there, and from the Congress house the bag has gone to somebody's house. Now, during this recent when they switched over, this is what is happening in the Congress.